I came here to learn more about empathy. As an engineer, where I've come from, I'm so used to fixing things, and that really isn't so great with relationships. Empathy and communication and really getting to the heart of what really connects the people is what allows us to build relationships and to create more of a unified world. Well, I learned how to be a better communicator, how to be more empathic. I've learned language also that causes disconnects between myself and others.
Relationships.
I don't think anyone's taught relationships at a young age. So Michael Jazz is an innovator. He's somebody who's very inspiring, and I believe that Michael has the ability, the communication skills to make a difference in the world and really bring this to schools, nonprofits, and any organization that needs better leadership. And empathy is something that needs to be taught, and that's the core of most communication out there, most powerful communication. So Michael definitely has those skills, and I believe that by getting into organizations, by getting to schools, he and the Relationship Foundation will make a huge difference in the world, will create ripples in the world.
Well, I feel with Michael Jazz that whenever you're around him, you personally learn about yourself and about how to connect with other people. And also he really cares about the work that he does. He wants people to have happy relationships. So I think that if he can get in early and teach people to be more understanding of other people's needs, you know, this can be something that can really benefit the whole planet, and it's needed, obviously.
The Relationship Foundation has critical tools that's needed today in the world. We're so conditioned to act on impulse, and I believe that the tools and the strategies that Relationship Foundation has can allow us to actually think first before we respond.
So if children had the opportunity to know how to communicate their feelings, then I feel like we could all live much more fulfilling lives.
Okay, so what have you